Well, many of you know, but some of you might not, that I am one of the hosts of Motoring TV on TSN here in Canada, Canada's longest running automotive TV show. And we had an exclusive opportunity in Toronto to get to drive the all-new Kia K5. Now, I'm here in Vancouver. I didn't want to get on a plane, so here's Brad Diamond from Motoring TV telling you a little bit more about the all-new Kia K5.
You were looking at the new, right out of the box Kia K5, replacing the Optima. The K5 is longer, lower, and wider than the Optima. And as I stand here right now, we are the very first Canadian media to drive this pre-production model.
The Kia K5, brand new in the segment, brand new introduction in terms of a mid-sized car. We're very excited to let Motoring TV know that we'll be coming to Canada as standard all-wheel drive, so perfect vehicle for Canada. A K5 is an all-new platform, all-new model, and it befits a brand new name. Design is everything, and Kia K5 is a bit of a glimpse of where we're going from a design language point of view. Starting at the front end, you can look at even the heartbeat-inspired daytime running lights at the front and at the rear. And there's good indication with the evolution of our tiger nose and tiger face grille on where the brand is going to go for it. With standard all-wheel drive, the K5 will start at $29,595, which is below, $30,000 and in the heart of the market. But the reality is the car you're going to be looking at today is the GT line version. So between the EX and the GT line, that's really the bulk of the volume where we see customers gravitating to. A little bit later in the year, we'll be launching with the GT full-on turbo car at $39,995. All the performance for just under $40,000.
Now, in just a second, I'm going to let you know how you can get involved to be on Motoring TV to test drive this new Kia K5. First of all, I want you to click on the card here and watch a video I did of the K5 when it was announced originally in Korea. So here's Brad again telling you how you can be involved in the show.
And now for some more big news. We would like some lucky Motoring TV viewers to join us on location and help us review the new Kia K5. If you're interested, and hopefully you are, just email us at info@motoringtv.com or message us on Facebook. This show is all about cars and the people who drive them. Well, that could be you.
So if you want to be one of the very first people to test drive the Kia K5, make sure you get your video entry in. It's probably going to be better if you live in the greater Toronto area. And make sure that you watch Motoring TV on TSN. Our new shows are going to be starting in the month of September. Well, there you go, the new Kia K5. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and make sure you get more information about new virtual car releases here on the channel.